Hello everybody and welcome. It's me, Dark Ephemera, Dark Arts and Crafts, and today we're going to be looking at a Rolife kit called Sakura Densya, which I think translates as Cherry Blossom Tram, and as you can see there's a little tram in there. I'm going to start by getting this plastic off so that we're not quite so overly reflective. Now normally I might be talking about Godzilla whilst building a Godzilla thing, but I also just have a general love for all things Japanese. And you know, maybe when I'm finished with this, I'll put a Godzilla in it. I don't know how big he'd be. It would just be his foot stepping on a cherry blossom thing or something. All right. See the box a little better if I remove the plastic. Oh, there you are. Okay. So this is, like I said, is Rolife Sakura Densya, and they call them bookends, and they have, as you can see, several, including Sunshine Town, Magic House, and Time Travel. And this one, interesting. This one lights up. Where does it say that? Yeah, you need 2 AAA batteries. It's equipped with 2 controllable lights. I'm not sure where that. And I think you could buy these in all sorts of places, but I get mine from Michael's, the craft store. They've been carrying these. They're approximately $40 each. Don't quote me on that. But Michael's often has coupons for one. I've never seen these things go on sale. And 2, Michael's often has coupons for a percentage off of a full-priced item. So I think I got this with a 30% off a full-price item, so I paid $28 for this off of $40. So not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. So let's see how we open this puppy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. These things I always have trouble with. I feel like I'm not opening it right. There we go. Manhandle it out. Ooh. Ooh, it's a little scary. Let's try to... Ooh, ooh. Okay, nothing else in the box. It's all pretty sealed. Yeah. All right. Sakura Tetsuya. With sakura fluttering in the sky, whisper your name over and over again. I like that it's a little more modern. You know, even though you have these old-fashioned buildings here, you've got a tram. There's a little pond here. There is, I believe, a cat here. I'm going to be painting him black. You know it. It's going to be a lot more difficult than a Lego set, which is what I normally do. So, fingers pressed. Fingers crossed. I'm sorry, I read the word press. Fingers crossed. So yeah, we need glue. Oh, does it come with stuff like that? Probably some glue that I don't like. Oh, this is some basic PVC glue. Yeah, I'll probably start using it, especially if it has a, yeah, it has a nice pin tip on it. Yeah, so I'll start using this, and if I'm not happy with it, I have my other stuff that I use. These are clearly electronic pieces. A wee screwdriver, some other bits and bobs. Oh, something special. These look like the railings, but why is it separate? Okay. This is a plastic tray that I'm guessing has nothing to do with the piece. Alright, I'll just put all these little pieces back in here. Put my And I'll read the instructions to see if they're asking about if they give like a list of like, these are things you should get. What do I need? So here's the parts, those little parts that were in there: the fence, battery box, some lights, and then the other bits: the white paper, the transparent water ripple sheet. Oh, that's this. Let's crack it open again. Let's see. So this is completely sealed. So once we start taking it apart, all bets are off. Once we start taking it apart, oh, I see. This is that water ripple sheet. Oh, that is so cool. Okay. Just try to be very careful. Too much. This sheet might just tear. That's good. Without too much effort. Ooh. Okay. All right. So this is what they were saying, the water ripple sheet. So it does look like the surface of water. Very cool. And it has a cutout. Okay, which I think is very delicate. This looks like corrugated cardboard. That also has some cutouts. Probably roof. Corrugated cardboard is the best stuff to do for miniature roof. A wee piece of sandpaper. I'm going to put this in the tray with the materials in it. With the, oh, something shiny. Well, I wonder if this is for the water. Anything. That's the water right there. That's what I'm talking about. Lots of pieces. Well numbered. Hopefully I won't get too lost in this. There's some stray cherry blossoms. Nice. This is the A sheet, and then that was the B sheet. And then here's a lot of stuff. My goodness. Cherry blossom branches. This is a very thin, this is wood, very thin wood. It's not pressboard or cardboard or cardstock. This is also wood here, a little thicker. The outer parts, more bits and pieces. Oh my God, oh, so much. I'm scared. I was scared to pick this up because pieces could just pop out. Where are these numbered? This is sheet E. This looks like covers, inside covers. Yeah, there's that cat. There's the cat. Okay, well, let me see what the instructions start me off as. This is going to be interesting. So, you want me to do the lights first? Please read the Q&A in the previous page before assembling. All right. But this says instructions, the light wire diagram of P11 and P10. P10 and P11 signs. Illustration. Step 1, step 2. Oh, I see. This is just telling you what the printed side, the blank side, notice, step numbers, and the little glue bottle shows you when to dab a bit of glue. Okay, cool. So we start with number 1. I honestly don't know how long this is going to take. I'm going to give it a half an hour. No, not to finish. Just a half an hour of my time today to do some of this. So, okay. So we're gluing. We need D2 and C3. Okay, well, let's see where D2 and C3 is. Here's C3. All of this is C3? One piece of C3. That's C3. And then something called D2. Well, let's see if we have some letters. F, D, two is here. Oh, so delicate, so cool looking. So we're going to be putting this on here with a dab of glue, and I could feel that there is some burrs. So I'm just going to okay. So apply a dab of glue on shaded areas only. So she's saying around the edges so that this comes on without too much problem. Or to make it easier, I'm just gonna put the glue here. I'm uncertain as to whether or not this is going to come out. It does not appear to be wanting to come out. Oh, it's got a cover on it. I've never seen this before. Oh, look at that. Okay. Throw that away. Go. Come on. That sticky thing is not coming off my hand. Wow, come on. Be nice about it. Oop, I see you. Coming out quick. Unnecessarily so. I might need a small paintbrush to get some of this excess off. Oh no! That's got to come off. Do I have paintbrushes or anything that I can kind of get this off with? There. It probably doesn't need that much glue in order to like settle in properly, so here we go. Assemble 2 sets of parts. So we're doing this twice, I guess. I don't see another. Oh no, here, I guess. Wait. So this is D2, that's D8, that's D7. So all of these are D2? Okay. And C is probably the same thing as well. I think all of these are C3, and then these shorter ones are C4. Now, are they a certain way? I'm now very nervous about how to glue them. Glue them so they look the same? Gosh, I don't know. So, I ended gluing them opposite, but there's no indication. Actually, there is. They're showing this to be like this and this one to be like this, so I'm not that far off. Okay, I just need to do this 2 more times. You're going to do 2 that are in one direction and 2 that are in the other direction. Gotcha. Okay. I need more room here. Ooh, put these. I don't know where to put things. Okay, so you can see kind of can see the instructions and see my hands as I'm working on stuff. All right. I ate too much food this weekend and now I feel very full, but I know I have to eat something, so I'm very confused. Okay, so I want one that looks like this, so I end up with 2 that look like this. So here's this. Glue on this side. Come on. Trying to squeeze very delicately to get the thinnest amount out. And there's a piece of flash up there. That's being a pain. Now, squawk. I could tell by how sticky it is on my fingers that this is actually pretty good glue. I was a little worried that it might just be the standard PVC in a kind of weirdly watered down way, but this might actually be rice glue. So that's cool. So we did this, and we're going to do it this way. Very, very tiny. I used to work with rice glue when I made the Kurokomi dolls, and it is a very good glue. And doesn't like have that, you know, when you're working with the dolls, you're working with cloth, and it doesn't have that bleed through with cloth, which I thought was pretty cool. All right, so we got 2 that are this direction, 2 that this direction, and look at me having made a bit of a mess in there. Made a bit of a mess in there, but oh well. All this needs to be washed up. Okay, so I did 2 that are this side, 2 that are on this side. So that's the first 2 instructions. Now it is, wow, what's going on here? B2 and B3, 2 pieces that I guess I'm just gluing together to make a thicker piece. And then that's going to be shoved into B18. Okay, B2 and 3. Is B one of these smaller ones? Yeah, there's this small one here. B2 and 3. Now they're saying blank side and face side. Oh, there's some stuff here. Oh, this flash is going to make me crazy. All right, so I guess the face side is where there's these little check marks. And so we're putting them together. What? Like this? No, wait. This picture is a little perplexing. All right, which one was B3? The larger one is B3. So they're holding it like this, face out. Then they're holding this one like this. Yeah, and it's just, is it just an angle? Might be just an angle like this. It angles in, creating an angle. Am I gluing this? Does not appear to be. So I'm snapping in. There we go. Creating a little angle. My fingers are really sticky. So I create a little triangle, and then I find B18, this here. Also, I love the smell of this wood. I don't know what it is, but boy, it's nice. Okay. Let's take off some of these little bits here. Okay, so I'm holding B18 like this, and I'm taking this and sticking it in here. Yep, there you go. No glue. Oh my God, I see it now. It's like the roof of a little house or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's all happening. Cool. So that's step 3. The roof of a little house. It's right there. Okay, what's next? Oh, building off of this, we need B14. 15. This must be 14. Here it is. Sorry. If you hope you guys can see this. It appears to be a tiny sign. I have no idea what it says. Cool. I can use my translator. Let's get that phone translator out. Let's do it. Let's do it. Camera. Mitarashi dango. So it's a dango shop, like a little cakes, or not cakes, but like I think it's rice balls on a stick. So good. All right, so we are taking this, we've turned it around now, and we are, again, there's no symbol for glue, so we're putting it in this way. Does it go in there? Oh no, there's no hole for it up there. Just squeeze in. Ah, the precision of this is like killing me. It's so good. So good. And so that's it. That's what we have. We have this right here. Oh, so good. Okay. Maybe next time I'll lower my camera and make it like really close to what's happening there so we can all see it. All right. Step 4. A, which I think is this other small one over here. Yes. So A 24 here. Is that 2 pieces? No, 24 and 25 are right next to each other. Okay. 24, 25, and 18. This, not the hole. The knot hole. Not the hole. Okay. Guess this hole's going to be an extra piece. I'll just leave that over there. All right. Make it smooth. Oh, I think it's going to be an air conditioner. That's funny. Sharp pieces there. Okay. So, this is considered the blank side. The other side says A24. I would hope I don't see A24. And then this, I guess Rolife is sticking out. So we're going to do this. Snap. There you go. And A25, which doesn't quite look the same on both sides. I think this side goes in here. Yeah. There. Didn't get a satisfactory snap, but it's in there. Okay, and no glue so far because this one just fell off. I suppose I can glue things if I'm feeling it. My sticky fingers keep sticking on stuff. Okay, there we go. Okay. Then we're going to get A22. This little guy here. Oh, I don't want to pull things off before they're ready. Before I'm ready. Stay in there. You stay in there. Most recent time I went to Japan was during the spring. We saw cherry blossoms. We saw plum blossoms. It was very springy. And this way? No, this way. This way? This way. Gorgeous. Just a wonderful time of year. The weather was great. It was a little rainy sometimes, but you know, we had a great time. Very good. Very good. And one more piece, A16, which is this here. It is in fact a fan. And I think that stays on, I guess. Yeah, that's not broken. Yeah, do not break that piece off. Do not break that piece off. So where am I putting this? So this is looking like this, and this is looking like this, and I guess it just goes inside. Yeah, that's cool. So it gives a dimensionality to the fan. Am I gluing that? Glue is shown. Oh, here's the glue symbol. I was like, where do I glue these? Glue as shown. Okay, well, you're not showing me anything, but I'll glue it in. Where are you showing me glue? Like just along the edges here? Yeah. Like this. That'll do. Or maybe I should have glued it along the edges so that the side pieces will fit as well. So this is the exterior fan. Very cool. This is, I don't know what scale this is. This can't be 1 to 2. I don't know. It's not. It's a much smaller. This is like train scale of some kind. Not that familiar with train scale. I know that there's a lot of them. A lot of sizes. So, okay. Well, that's pretty good. Let's look at the big picture and see where these things go. There's the big picture. Well, that's the box. Where's the instructions? Where's the instructions? She says. Right in front of you. Oh. Oh. Yeah, none of these are a very good picture. Is the box better? Even the box is very truncated. Oh well. Let's look at this. Oh, even this one's cut off. Jeesh. Okay. So in this picture, the fan is right here. And I don't see the Dango shop. In this picture, you just see the edge of the fan and the Dango shop is behind it. Wait, Oh, see, there's the dongo shop. So the dongo shop and the fan all together. Okay, I didn't see that. Cool, cool. Alrighty. Oh, but what else we got? Oh, and also these shutters. So kind of a lot in this area here. And they might buy shutters for other section too. So we've got these left shutters, right shutters, dongo shop sign, and a little fan. Okay, join me again later if you can, while I continue to put together this Sakura Densya from Rolife, the cherry blossom tram. And I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me, your asexual best friend, as we chat about, well, nothing. Quite frankly, we just look at miniature things and it's super cool, isn't it? At any rate, talk to you guys later. Bye. Have a great day. Bye-bye.